So this is the glowy face that y'all know and love. Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So I posted this picture recently on Twitter and y'all really seem to love it. It was nothing new, nothing special. This is just my signature makeup look. If I had to have a signature makeup look, I would say I'm most known for glowy skin and a poppin' red lip. So that is the makeup look that I'm gonna come and show you today. If you wanna see this video, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we are starting with my skincare routine fully completed, and we're gonna go ahead and get into priming. So I'm priming my face today with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm using this primer today because I will be using a drugstore foundation, and I kind of try to match my primers to my foundations. So high-end primers with high-end foundations, drugstore primers with drugstore foundations. While I am priming my skin, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be tuned into this channel, y'all. I bring you makeup videos, I bring you hair videos, I bring you everything in between. Foundations today, I'm going oldie but goodie. I'm going to use two Maybelline foundations. I like to mix the Maybelline Super Stay foundation and the color 330 Toffee Caramel with the Fit Me foundation, and this is in the color 338 Spicy Brown. I always mix these two foundations for the sake of the finish and also for my color. So there we are, and let's go ahead and apply this. Next, I'm going into the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Medium Beige, and this is what I'm going to use to highlight. So I'm not really afraid of mixing different finishes. For example, the foundations that I use have more of a matte finish, but this concealer is a hydrating concealer. I never really just do all matte on my face or all hydrating on my face. I usually have a happy mix of both. And I think that is what gives me the natural glowy look and not just like overly oily. All right, y'all, we're nice and blended, so now I'm going to set my concealer using the Mented. I do not go in and set my full face with a foundation colored powder. I don't do that. I only set my concealer because it's a wet product. Let's go ahead and bronze and contour, and I just mix these two colors together to give me like a bronzy contoury look. And this is also my eyeshadow palette, so I just go in with that middle color and I brush that or sweep that over my lids. All right, we're looking nice and bronzed. Next thing is my blush. I'm using the Mented Peach for the Stars, which is this beautiful peach blush, and it has shimmer in it. So this is like my first round of adding the glow to my face. And if y'all can see, that blush product is really what's going to give me that inner glow look, that glow from within, because it has a beautiful gold shimmer on it. All right, y'all, we're ready to set. I'm going to go in with this Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last spray. Right before my face dries completely, I'm going to go in with my highlighter product. I am using Cosmos by Name Beauty. That's what the powder looks like. When you actually apply it, it goes on like this beautiful yellow gold shimmer. Y'all can see my face is almost completely dry, and you can start to see that glow right there. I'm literally just gonna follow where my natural glow is and apply that product. So I'm gonna do my eyes off camera so I don't mess up, but let me show you exactly what I'm using. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this Mented pencil in the shade Brow or Later. I'll be applying mascara from Maybelline. This is the Last Lift. I'm using this Duo Lash Glue accompanied with this Kiss Lash Glue Liner. The lashes that I'm applying are from Ioni. I'm not sure how to say this brand, but I actually found it in Dollar Tree for $1. Let me go ahead and do the eyes, and I'll come back to you to finish off the face with our classic. All right, y'all, so we are done with the eyes, and now it's time for the final touches, which is our red lip. Now, when I say that red lips are my favorite, I'm not exaggerating. So my automatic go-to is going to be the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the color Pioneer. And then to top it off, because I do like a more glossy finish when I'm wearing my red lips, my Name Beauty gloss called Jay, because it was inspired by me. So this really is my signature look, y'all, to the point where I have a gloss. I have a red gloss named after me. So this would be like my power couple of red lips. I like to live on the wild side, but for y'all, I'm gonna go in and at least do an outline so I don't look crazy. So what I usually do is just take the tip of this product and I just go in with my lines. So wait until the Super Stay dries all the way and then I go in with the gloss. Alright y'all, so this is the face. This is my signature glowy makeup with a red lip. Now, the most important part of this whole makeup look is to make sure you're getting those glowy pics. So I'm going to take you outside for a little golden hour photo shoot to show you exactly how to capture the glow, okay? Alright y'all, so it's time for you to learn exactly how I get my golden hour pictures. Let me show you where the sun is in the sky right now, okay? That's it right there. There it go. And this is what it looks like on my face. So the key is not to do any work. The sun should be doing all the work for you. I usually actually like to take live photos because with the live photos, you can turn them into videos. You can easily turn it into a GIF. You can catch different moments. So I'm a live photo girl. Boom, like that. Boom, like that. Just bend down if you think that your background is not giving what it's supposed to give. Bend down so you're only getting like really the sky, and that is like the ambiance that you are capturing. I have that happen a lot of times. There's buildings in the back of my house that I don't really want to capture in the picture, so I just bend down. And I want to cover that tree actually, so let me come here. So hopefully that helps y'all. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!